Hey friends and fans, Ryan Dohrn here. We're talking sales and marketing strategy today, and I want you to stop asking people to call you back. Why are you doing it? Do they actually call you back? Really? People that don't know you, strangers, actually call you back? No, they don't. Voicemail's powerful though. So what I do is I use voicemail to get an email reply. Now, I don't say my name, rank, and serial number first. Instead, I give them a little social proof on that voicemail. Then I'm going to give them a little bit of value, and then I'm going to ask them to respond to the email that I sent. Let's say I'm calling on Bob. Hey, Bob, we're working with Company A, Company B, Company C, and they're seeing some great results. It's my social proof. Second line of my voicemail, love to help you too. Maybe name a product or a service. And then the third is, hey, Bob, if you would quick reply to the email I sent this morning at 10:35, subject line, your thoughts on this, I would greatly appreciate it, and you don't need to call me back. Oh, by the way, it's Ryan calling from such and such. Leave your name, rank, and serial number last. I truly believe if you stop asking people to call you back, you're going to use that voicemail to actually benefit your sales game, as opposed to basically bogging down your sales game. People are probably not going to call you back if they don't know you. Trust me on that. You can take it to the bank. Hey, be sure to subscribe down below. Click the bell button if you're watching us on YouTube. Reach out to me if I can come and motivate your sales team. The main website is ryandohrn.com, D-O-H-R-N. Never forget, friends, if sales was easy, everybody would be doing it. And they're not. We're not crazy, friends. This is a career that'll feed your family for a lifetime. All right. See you next week.